In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WordPress website with Elementor. This guide is designed specifically for beginners, so if you're new to WordPress, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step together to ensure you're set up for success. To start, you'll want to navigate to your website's WordPress login page. This is the gateway to your WordPress world. Here, you'll enter your username and password to gain access to your site's backend. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is like your command center where you'll have everything you need at your fingertips to control and customize your website. Next up, we're going to install the Elementor plugin. Elementor is a powerful visual page builder for WordPress that allows you to design beautiful web pages without needing to write any code. To do this, head over to the plugins section in your dashboard and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Elementor, and once you find it, click Install Now followed by Activate. This places the tool right in your hands, ready for you to create stunning pages. With Elementor activated, it's time to choose or install a theme. A theme defines the overall look and feel of your website, influencing colors, fonts, and layout. You can choose from the many free themes available on WordPress, or upload a theme you've already purchased. Simply go to the Appearance section and click on Themes. From here, you can explore different themes and find one that best suits your style or the needs of your brand. Once you find the one you like, click on Install and then Activate. Now that your foundation is set, let's add your first page. Head back to your dashboard and you'll see an option that says Add a New Page. Click on that and this will open up a blank canvas where your creativity can shine. With Elementor, you can start building your page by dragging and dropping elements such as text boxes, images, and buttons, all with just a few clicks. Remember, you're not limited. You can always change, tweak, and rearrange elements to get the design just right. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you now have the tools to build your own WordPress website using Elementor. As you continue customizing, remember there's no right or wrong in design. It's all about creating a site that reflects your vision and meets your needs. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy bringing your website to life. Don't forget to check out any further guides or videos for more in-depth tips and tricks with WordPress and Elementor.